A warm welcome to one and all. During this period of pandemic, online classes via Google Meet or Zoom and usage of online platforms like Google Classrooms are inevitable. If you're on your phone, please download Google Meet and Zoom from Play Store and keep it installed beforehand. If you're on your computer, please install the Zoom app. All meetings will be either on Zoom or Google Meet. To attend the same, click on the link provided to you after the apps are installed. Online classes, discussions, assignments, online exams, and other classwork will be conducted using the Google Classroom. In this video, we are going to give you an insight into how to use Google Classroom. A separate Google Classroom will be created for each course. Your class teacher will be giving you a unique email ID and password. For that, go to www.gmail.com. Sign in by typing the unique email ID given to you and password. In the inbox section, you will be able to find an email that invites you to join the Google Classroom corresponding to a particular course, say Introduction to Civil Engineering. Open that email and accept the invitation so that you can join the Google Classroom corresponding to the course Introduction to Civil Engineering. Now, go to classroom.google.com. Sign in by typing the unique email ID and password given to you. Upon successful login, you can view icons corresponding to all the classroom which you have already joined. In order to enter a particular classroom, click on the required classrooms link. Let us enter the classroom of the course Introduction to Civil Engineering by clicking on the classrooms link. Inside the classroom, you can see mainly two tabs, namely Stream tab and Classwork tab. In the Stream tab, you can see the important announcements made by the faculty member handling the course. Stream tab will also contain study materials related to the course, which will be posted by the corresponding faculty member on a timely basis. Next is the Classwork tab. You can visit the Classwork tab to see the classwork assigned to you by the faculty member, which mainly includes assignments, quizzes, etc.
Now, let us learn how to submit an assignment via Google Classroom. As every communication is done via email, make sure you check mail on a regular basis. Once faculty creates an assignment, you will be receiving a mail notification. You can either access it via mail or through Classroom, where it will be posted in your stream. Once you click on it, you can see the following details related to the assignment shared. Name of the assignment, points for grading, due date and time for submitting the assignment, the question shared as an attachment. There will be a plus add or create button in that post, which you can click to upload your work. But before, download the question and write the required answers in your note or on a set of papers. It is mandatory to include your name, roll number and page number in all the sheets you write your assignment. Once it's completed, you have to scan your papers and upload as a single PDF file. For scanning, you can use the application Cam Scanner, which is freely downloadable from Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the Cam Scanner application to scan the papers in the correct order of page number. Create it as a single PDF document. Name the file as your roll number underscore RET register number underscore name. For example, if your name is Aman with roll number 10 and RET number RET20 CS010, you will name the file as 10 underscore RET20 CS010 underscore Amen. Next step is you have to upload this in the assignment link posted in the classroom. Therefore, go to your Google Classroom and open your assignment link. There will be a plus add or create button to add your attachment. The file can be uploaded from your device or it can be shared as a link from the Google Drive. You can explore the various options given as per your convenience. But for our purpose, we are only expecting the final PDF document. Once uploaded, please make sure to click on the Turn In button to submit your assignment. There is also a provision given as a text field to enter any comments if you want to communicate to the faculty. Once the due date and time is over, you may still be able to submit the assignment, but the faculty will receive a notification saying you have submitted it late. It is up to the faculty to decide whether to accept the assignment or reduce the points to be awarded due to late submission. In this section, we have seen how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. In the next section, you will see how to manage online exams.
The regular classes will be conducted through Google Meet platform. On the top bar of each classroom, you can see the link for the Google Meet. Please click on the link to log in to the classroom, depending on the online class timetable communicated to you by your class teacher. All the students should join the meeting with the camera turned on and audio muted. Teachers will be either calling out the names or using the Google Attendance extension to mark your attendance. When the scheduled class is over, log out and please click on the classroom for the next subject as per the timetable. Now, let us see how to manage the online exams. A Google Meet link will be communicated to you by your subject in charge teacher one day ahead of the exam. Log in to the Google Meet and be online 20 minutes ahead of the scheduled exam time. All students should join the meeting with the camera turned on and audio muted. Students must obey the instructions given by the invigilator during the exam. The question paper will be presented in the Google Meet 5 minutes prior to the exam. A copy of the question paper will be uploaded in the Google Classroom after the beginning of the exam. After completing the exam, an assignment will be created by the name Exam Sheet Upload by the subject teacher in the Google Classroom to upload the scan answer scripts. Students must upload the scan answer sheets within 50 minutes after the end of the exam in the Google Classroom for the respective subjects. All should follow the same name convention while uploading the answer sheets to the classroom. Answer sheet should be named as roll number underscore your name underscore subject code underscore subject name. Answer sheet should be uploaded as a single PDF document with the name, page number and signature on all the sheets. Answer sheets uploaded after 15 minutes will not be considered for the evaluation. After uploading your answer sheets, you must press the turn in button for successfully uploading the answer sheet. Thank you. Hope you have a great online learning experience.